These are perfect. Make sure the next load goes straight to tank 4.
Cooling machines rapidly lower the watermelon juice temperature after pasteurization. Cold water systems surround the steel pipes carrying fresh juice.
Is this the final pallet for the Northwest route? Yes, ma'am, all accounted for.
Look, Mom, the watermelon juice. Can we get some, please? To summer.
Cheers! This is so refreshing.
Check the pressure on the main manifold. We're showing a drop near the intake valve. I see it. The sensor data confirms a blockage in the line. The purity levels meet the international standards. Look here.
Excellent. Let's clear it for packaging.
We've got 3 more trucks coming in before noon.
Okay, send them to Bay 4. We'll clear this shipment now.
Temperature spike neutralized. All systems green. Copy that, Command.
Conveyor synchronization is perfect. No downtime expected.
The voltage on relay 3 seems unstable. I see it. The load is higher than expected.
Our advanced recycling systems allow us to purify and reuse nearly all of our process water, drastically reducing our environmental impact. Green light steady on the alarm panel.
All systems nominal. Let's move to Sector 4.
The vibrant colors on these labels are perfect for the summer launch.
And the social media engagement on the factory video is through the roof. The rising demand means we push for expansion now. And if we adjust the sensor here, we improve safety and speed.
To freshness and summer. Cheers, everyone!